Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll be talking about people who have had their taxes filed months ago and they're wondering where is their 22 tax return. And they're also wondering where their IRS amended tax return is. So stay tuned and continue watching this video. It's after tax season. So if you're one of those ones who are wondering, where is my money, IRS, you are not alone. Make sure you continue to watch this video as I share an important refund tax update with you guys. Welcome, everybody. I know a lot of you are frustrated about where is my tax return. I filed it months ago. Some of you have been commenting saying that it's been January and you still haven't heard nothing, that it's been in review, that the IRS representatives are telling you things, and some of you are saying that you cannot contact them. Feel free to make sure you drop any comments, any questions you have in the chat box, and also on this video if you're watching the replay, so I can answer them for you. Now, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and share my screen and provide you with the numbers that you can contact the IRS. I usually, if somebody come and comment, I give you the numbers. Now I'm putting directly on the screen, and I will be sharing some of them that I know that I'm gonna pull up so you'll be able to see it more closely. These are some of the numbers that you can reach the IRS, okay, regarding your tax return information. I know, again, that you're frustrated, you're mad, you're wondering why, okay? I know a lot of you are upset about it. The best thing that you can do is be patient and make sure that you contact your tax preparer, that you contact whoever did your tax return for you during tax season, and also the banks, your banks, and also the tax product banks, because they have to be transferred to your account. Also, with the amended returns, I see a lot of you asking about amended returns. It takes 16 plus weeks, and we've been seeing it a lot later than that for those of you waiting on the amended returns. So you can go to irs.gov and actually check on the status of your amended returns. If you're seeing the codes on your transcripts, check the codes, and if you have questions, make sure again you go to your tax preparer and you check with the IRS. Don't wait. Make sure you contact them as soon as possible. We know the last date was April 18th, 2023, and the IRS tax season in 2023 opened January 23rd, 2023. So if you filed in January of 2023 or February or March, if you hadn't heard nothing, make sure you contact. Also, make sure that you don't have a tax offset. I have the number on the screen about the tax offset, 1-800-304-3107. Also, if you have to verify identity, this is what a lot of people had to do during the tax season. They didn't understand, they had to do that. Call that number as well, and that will help you. For those needing let me see if I had the amended returns number. Let me put the amended returns number up there. That's the amended return number I got, 1-866-464-2050, who are wanting to know or need information regarding that, to contact the IRS. If you need to get a tax payer advocate involved because you got most of your refund, all of it, you can go to that taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov or call that 1-877-777-4778 about that as well. For those of you who may be watching and you haven't already did your taxes, make sure you get it in, you guys. The last date for the extension is October 16th, 2023 on a Monday. I know I have been telling you guys on the 15th, but it's the 16th. Make sure you get it in. And a lot of you fall in the automatic disaster states: Alabama, Tennessee, Arkansas, Florida. That has to August, and some of the other states. Make sure you get it in because you want to avoid penalties and interest. Okay, you guys. If you needed any other information, stuck on one bar, amended return, COP 05 letter, 12C letter, Make sure you go to the live videos on my channel and also go to playlists, and you'll be able to get more information. If your tax return is in review or audit, make sure they send you a letter, which being the PO5 letter or 12C letter, whatever information they mail to you or send to you, make sure you give that or mail that or fax that information to them, and you keep copies for yourself. I tell people that, and do not, a lot of people, what they do is they get the letters, they get upset, they feel something wrong, they go ahead and amend them. If you amend it, then you're going to have to wait longer. Please do not, if you get the IRS letter amend tax return, that's a longer wait for you guys. Y'all already been waiting a long time. So don't do that, okay? Continue to contact the IRS. You guys, no matter what, if you ain't hearing nothing, don't wait. Let me see. I'm reviewing to make sure I'm giving you all the information that is needed. Okay. If you put in the wrong account number, you got to call that 1-800-829-1040 number. Because a lot of people, they wondering why I still haven't received. You put in the wrong account and routing number. That's why you probably haven't, and they got to mail a check to you, by the way, if you did that. All right. Just want to let you guys know that as well. See if you have any questions and something has changed. Let me go over this too. If you change, whoever do your tax, if you change any information, your address, any information, then that's why y'all probably are ending up having to wait. So make sure when you change things, you provide accurate information. But anytime you change the status and you change where you anything on that tax return, it's gonna take a while because they gotta verify because there's so much fraud. Okay, if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, make sure you drop it down in this video, and I'll make sure that I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Again, you guys, for those of you who are waiting, don't wait and not hear nothing and not contact IRS. Make sure you contact the IRS, okay, regarding your tax return and regarding your tax refund.